Quince just raised $500 million at a $10 billion valuation. And honestly, I'm more surprised this company exists than impressed by the numbers. So, what the hell is Quince? They're the ones selling $50 cashmere sweaters on Instagram that actually don't suck. Their whole thing is cutting out the middleman. They go straight from factories to your doorstep, no department stores, no wholesale markups, just manufacturer to consumer. And apparently it's working because they just hit $1 billion in revenue. Here's what actually caught my attention. They doubled their valuation in less than a year, $4.5 billion to $10 billion. That's not normal, even in this crazy funding environment. Most companies are fighting to maintain their valuations right now. Their model makes sense on paper. Instead of buying from suppliers who mark everything up 300%, they work directly with the factories. They use AI to predict what'll sell, test small batches, then scale up fast. The result, cashmere sweaters at 70% off retail prices without the quality dropping off a cliff. But here's the catch. Williams-Sonoma is suing them for allegedly copying their home products and selling them cheaper. Quince basically said removing markups isn't a crime, which, damn, that's a pretty solid comeback. The thing is, this only works if they can keep quality consistent as they scale globally. They just expanded to Canada, and they're clearly planning more international moves with this cash. Bottom line, if they can maintain quality while scaling, traditional retail is fucked. If they can't, well, $10 billion is a long way to fall.